I'm a strong believer that the average person can make their first sale with affiliate marketing without prior experience. Well, I'm going to show you how to make your first $500 in the next 24 hours without spending any money, no social media followers, and no website. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step in today's video. And I promise this is one of the simplest methods anyone can use to make money online in 2024. So before we get into the first method of this video, you need to know what a VPN is. And in layman's terms, VPN is just a form of security you get when browsing online, which means you get to protect your information from hackers, spammers, and data theft. And this is very powerful because there are a lot of viruses, a lot of scammers and hackers online, and with VPN you can protect yourself from all these malicious intent. So the first step is coming over to this website strongvpn.com, and as you can see, this is a VPN platform, and if you take a look on their website, you can see they have been featured by top websites in the world. So if you come over to the website and if you scroll down, you can see they have 4.7 out of 5 rating with over 2,500 reviews on Trustpilot, which means they provide high quality services to their customers. All right, so now you want to come over to the interact section of the website and you want to click on affiliates. So if you come over to the affiliate page, this is where you'll be able to join their affiliate program and start making money when people sign up using your affiliate link. And the reason I like Strong VPN is because they pay you up to 200% commission, and this is very rare in the online security niche because other VPN providers pay you between 30 to 40% commission, which means with Strong VPN you can make even more money when people sign up using your affiliate link. And if you think of this, all you simply need is 6 sales to make your first $500 with this platform, and I'm going to show you how to do that in today's video. The major advantage of the online security niche is because it appeals to a broader audience, and this is because most people browse the internet these days, be it younger audience or older audience, and we all need protection from hackers, spammers, and people who are trying to steal our information online. And this is better than other niches like weight loss, fishing, which is targeted to only specific people who are interested in that niche. And this is why I'm super confident if you follow this strategy, you will make your first $500 with affiliate marketing in the next 24 hours. So the next step is coming over to YouTube, and you want to look for a popular video from any niche you can think of, be it finance, relationship, spirituality, health and fitness, whatever niche you can think of. All you simply need to do is to find a popular video in that niche. So for me, I'm going to take the vegan recipe niche as an example, and as you can see, this video has amassed over 3 million views, and as you can see, it's going to show people how to prepare easy vegan recipes for themselves as a beginner. So once you come over to the video, all you simply need to do is to then click on the share button, and if you do this, you'll be able to copy the link to this YouTube video. The next step is to then create a landing page with a warning sign, which is going to direct people to the VPN affiliate link, but we want to do it in a smart and creative way to increase our conversion rates. And now you can use any landing page builder of your choice. You can use ClickFunnels, you can use Breezy.io, or you can even use Builderall to do this. All right, so I'm going to use Builderall, so I'm going to leave the link in the description. So once you come over to this page, all you simply need to do is to create an account. So once you create an account on Builderall, all you simply then need to do is to come over to where it says website builder. So once you do that, you then want to click on this section that says create new website. And once you do that, Builderall is going to show you various templates which you can use to start creating landing page right away, or you can create landing page from scratch. However, we want to go with landing page templates that have a video. So all you simply need to do is to scroll down, and you are going to see various landing pages with videos. All right, so we are going to take this one here as an example. All right, so I'm going to select this template, and all you need to then do from here is to click on get started. So once you do that, it's then going to bring you to this page, and as you can see, this is a video right here. All right, so we want to delete all these sections that we don't need. All you just simply need to do is to click on the delete button. So as you can see, I have removed every other part of this template we don't need, and now we are left with only this video. So all you need to then do is to click on this video, and you want to click on this edit element. So once you do that, as you can see, it's going to show you this YouTube link right here. So you want to delete this, and you want to paste in the YouTube link from the video you copied. All right, as you can see, it's going to show us the video. All right, so once it shows us the video, all you then need to do is to scroll down, and you want to make sure to disable this loop, and you want to also make sure to disable this do not display control, because you want to make sure to let people click to watch this video on their own accord. And now the final step is to then go back to that YouTube video, and you want to copy the title of that YouTube video. So once you copy the title of the video, all you simply need to do is to come over here and you can simply edit this title. So once you do that, everything should look like this. As you can see, it literally took just a few seconds to create this landing page, and all you need to do from here is to then click on save. So now once you do that, you then want to make sure to click on yes, publish my website. So that is all you need to do. Then you want to click on this page settings, and once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and you want to scroll down to where it says pop-up, and this is where we will be creating the warning page pop-up. And now it's going to ask you to create a new pop-up. Then you want to click on create new pop-up, and you want to give the pop-up a name, and we can just name this pop-up vegan recipe. All right, then you want to click on save. So once you do that, then you want to click on edit. So once you do that, you want to then come over to the add section. You want to click on panels, drag and drop this panel right here like this. You want to double click to edit this right here, and you want to type in warning. So once you do that, you want to then click on this pen icon, and you want to change the background color to something like red, just like this. So once you do that, you then want to come over to the add section. You want to come over to elements, and you want to click on the text element. All right, so once you do that, you want to drag the H3 right here. So you then want to type in a captivating text like this: hackers might be stealing your information, activate the VPN right now to stay protected. So once you do that, the final thing is to come back to the element section, and you want to drag a button. So you're going to see this section that says button, so you want to click on it. If you do that, all you then need to do is to drag any of these buttons right here. All right, so I'm going to take the first one here as an example, which says register now, and all I need to do is to drop it right here like this. And then you want to come over here and you want to change the text by clicking on this edit element. And if you do that, you want to change it from register now, and you want to change it to something like sign up. So once you do this, then you want to scroll down, and you can always change the background color to any color of your choice. So for me, I am going to change this from green to white. All right, so I'm going to select the white background color so that it stands out more on this page. Then once you do that, the final thing you want to then do is to click on this section that says set link. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you want to paste in your affiliate link. So now you want to go back to the affiliate program page of StrongVPN, and this is where you want to then click on the join now button. So once you come over here, this is where you want to then enter your basic information to create an account with StrongVPN affiliate program. So once you do this, all you simply need to then do from here is to click on agree to terms of service, and you'll be able to get your account created right away. So once you create your account, you'll be able to grab your affiliate link. So once you sign up, this is where you want to then paste in your affiliate link, and whenever people click on this link, it's going to take them to the website of StrongVPN, where if they make a purchase, you make money. So once you're done, you then want to click on select. So this is all you simply need to do from here, and you want to then click on save. And then you want to then click on this section that says publish my website. So once you do that, you then want to come back to your landing page section, and this is where you want to click on settings, and you want to then click on these settings right here. All you simply need to then do is to scroll down to where it says pop-up settings, and this is where you want to select the pop-up you created, and you want to select for both desktop, and you want to also select for mobile devices as well. All right, so you want to make sure to scroll down here, and you want to select time-based. If you do that, this is where you want to select the number of seconds you want this pop-up to show up after people land on that landing page. So for me, I like leaving it as 10 seconds. So once you select 10 seconds for both desktop and mobile, all you simply then need to do from here is to click on save. So I'm going to open the landing page in a new tab, and once you open the landing page in a new tab, people are going to come over and see this video, and as you can see, the landing page just popped up right here. So once people start watching the video, the pop-up is going to appear saying hackers might be stealing their information and they need to activate the VPN right now. So once they click here to sign up, it's going to bring them to the StrongVPN website, and once they sign up, to any of the plans right here, you will be making money as an affiliate. So now the final step is to start driving traffic to your landing page and start making money. So all you simply need to do is to come over to Reddit and you want to look for related subreddit for your niche. All right, so now as you can see right here, this is the vegan subreddit, and as you can see, they have over 500,000 members on this subreddit. So once you join any subreddit, all you are going to be doing is to simply share the video you found on YouTube to people in that niche, because if the video is performing on YouTube, then people on Reddit are also going to like that video as well. So you want to just simply say something like, guys, I just found this really cool video and I've been enjoying the recipes. I just wanted to share what's working for me with the communities. Don't even mention anything about VPN when posting to any of these subreddits, because if you do that, you will come off salesy and you won't get any result doing this. You want people in that subreddit to see you as one of their own, so you want to let them perceive you as a genuine person who is giving value to the community by sharing a YouTube video they can watch for free. And that is why this method works really well, because you are not sending people directly to the VPN landing page. Rather, you are sending them to a YouTube video, and once the pop-up appears on their screen, they can click on that affiliate link, and if they make a purchase, we make money. So you want to make sure to look for popular videos from various niches and you want to share them with various subreddits, and you'll be getting amazing results. So if you like this video, then I highly recommend to check out this video, which is going to show you how to even make more money with affiliate marketing.